Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to another class and new day. How are you all? Give me a thumbs up through Zoom if you all are fine and you all had a great day yesterday. Okay. Okay, so everyone open your cameras. आप सब अपना कैमरा क्यों नहीं खोलते हैं बेटे? अपना कैमरा खोलें ताकि हम सब एक दूसरे को देख सकें. Okay, अब सिर्फ अब्राहम, अयान और मलाहिम रह गए हैं. I want all three of you to open your camera as well. Hurry up. चलिए जल्दी से. Okay, अयान अहमद, अब आपका कैमरा क्लोज नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay? Malahim and Abraham, open your camera as well. Okay, so let's not waste a lot of time and just move towards our studies. And as you all know that before starting our studies, we start the name with the name of Almighty Allah, right? So today, as every day we do the recitation of any surah, by some of your fellows do it, right? So I want any one of you to do it again today as well. So let's give a chance today to, okay, Ehsan. Yes, Ehsan. Unmute yourself and today is your turn to recite any surah. I want all the girls to cover their head. All the girls cover your head. Maheen and Rihan, open your camera. Okay, Ehsan, आपकी आवाज बेटा clear नहीं आ रही है. Okay, now it's clear. Okay, now it's clear. You may start, Ehsan.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ara'ayta allazi kazzaba bid-din fadhalika allazi الذي ولا يحض على طعام المسكين فويل للمصلين الذين هم صلاتهم ساهون الذين هم يراءون ويمنعون الماعون صدق الله العظيم.
Sadaqallahu al-Azim. Jazakallah Ehsan. Okay. So, we are done with the surah part also. Okay, so can anyone just give me a small review of what we learned in the previous week, in the previous classes? Can anyone of you give me a small review? Okay, Abraham. Okay, for yes, Abraham. Faria, Abraham ke baad I'll unmute you. Abraham, which topic did we, discuss in the previous classes?
Subtraction and addition.
Okay, excellent. Thank you so much, Abraham. Okay, Abraham said that we learned addition and subtraction in the previous classes. Okay, Fariha, unmute yourself and tell me that what were we learning in addition and subtraction? What did you learn from addition and subtraction? Fariha, unmute yourself, beta. Fariha, bete, unmute karo. Fariha, unmute yourself, beta.
We have learned addition and subtraction and different types of doing addition and subtraction.
Excellent. Very good, Faria. Very good. Yes, we learned about the different ways to do addition and different ways to do the subtraction as well. Okay, so didn't you people learn about the properties of addition and subtraction? जी बताइए मुझे मलाहिम, क्या हमने प्रॉपर्टीज के बारे में नहीं पढ़ा या प्रॉपर्टीज भी पढ़ा है कि एडिशन की क्या प्रॉपर्टीज होती हैं और सब्ट्रैक्शन की क्या प्रॉपर्टीज होती हैं? Okay, you learned about that, right? We did learn about that. Okay, so हमने जो है वो एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन को completely कवर करा अपने लास्ट वीक में. So from today we'll be learning about what is multiplication. What is the concept of multiplication and what are the properties of multiplication. ठीक है? So let's see कि आपको वीडियो की. Okay, Maheen Khan, open your camera. Abraham, Hiba and Ishil, open your cameras, otherwise I'll remove you from the class. And this is mandatory to open the camera. And I'm very strictly saying this to everyone. Don't close the camera. Maheen, open your camera. Hiba, open your camera. Now, no need to close your cameras. Otherwise, I'll remove you from the class. And this is the last warning. Okay, so let's learn about, just give me a second. Okay, so let's share the screen and let's see if you people can hear it or not. Okay. Can you all hear the video? Give me a thumbs up through Zoom if you can. Send me a thumbs up through Zoom if you can hear the video. No one of you can hear it. Why? Okay, just give me a second. I need to change some settings then. What is happening? I don't know. Okay, so there is a problem. I don't know what is going on, and I'll make it, fix it up before tomorrow. Okay, so can you all hear me? Can you all hear? सबको आवाज आ रही है ना मेरी? Clear? Give me a thumbs up through Zoom. Just send me a thumbs up. I'll get to know that. Yes, I cannot hear or see the video in every class. Okay, and Ahmed, I don't know why you can't see the video. आप सबको videos नजर आ रही होती है? आप सबको screen share दिखता है बेटे? Can you all see? Show me a thumbs up. Show me your thumbs up. Don't send the thumbs up to Zoom. Show me your thumbs up. Okay, so you all can see the thumbs up. I can see, like you all can see my screen share. Then I don't know why you can't see the screen share. Okay, let's not waste the time and learn about that. What is actually multiplication? Okay, so let's see. Okay, so here is a boy and he's very much confused that what is multiplication. कि multiplication होता क्या है? And he wants कि someone जो है ना someone help him. कोई आए और उसकी आगे help करे. ठीक है? So let's see. Okay, so here is a pencil now. Okay, so he's saying to the pencil that okay, I know you and you are the pencil. Okay. ठीक है? Okay, so this pencil is telling to the boy is that okay, multiplication is something very coolest that anyone could ever do. Okay, it's very interesting. Okay, it is like a magic show that is done by yourself. Okay, the pencil is saying this to the boy. Okay. Okay. So he's saying that suppose now you have something. Okay, just give me a second. Okay. Okay. Now let's suppose that you have something very few. Okay. Now they are showing you 3 frogs over here. Okay. Okay, so after doing multiplication, you can have something many. Okay, is it clear to you? अगर आपके पास कोई चीज थोड़ी सी है, ठीक है, like what they were showing over here, they were showing that the boy is having, he's imagining that there are 3 frogs, and if he do the multiplication, he'll be getting many many frogs. ठीक है, अगर वो if he does a small multiplication, what he did is there were only 3 frogs. ठीक है, what he did a few multiplication. उसने क्या किया, he did multiplied 5 with 3, right? And how many frogs did he got? He got 15 frogs. ठीक है, किसी चीज को बढ़ाने के लिए, किसी चीज को ज्यादा करने के लिए what we do is we do multiplication. ठीक है, I hope you got the concept of what is multiplication. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up if you got this. Send me a thumbs up through Zoom. I hope you all understood it. Isn't it easy? Isn't it easy? It is, right? It is interesting. Yes. Yes. And don't worry about the videos. आपको वीडियो की आवाज भी आ जाएगी. ठीक है, I guess there is some problem with my laptop. I'll fix it up. Okay. और ये जो videos के links है ना, मैं आपको यूनिवर्सिटी पे अपलोड कर दूंगी, तो आप लोग खुद से भी देख सकते हो. Okay. 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 Malahim, sit straight, बेटे. What happened? Isn't it interesting? Don't you think it's interesting? Interesting नहीं लग रहा? इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं लग रहा? जी मलाहिम, बोलिए. बोलो बेटे.
यार आप यूनिवर्सिटी भी वीडियो सेंड करती है, उसकी भी आवाज नहीं आती.
बेटे मैंने आपको लिंक शेयर किया है होमवर्क में, है ना, देखिएगा, यही लिंक शेयर हुआ है. किसी और ने देखा था, ट्राई करा था कि वो जो है वो चल रही है वीडियोस? डिड एनीवन ऑफ यू ट्राई? किसी और ने? अलिश भाई, यू ट्राइड? आपके पास आवाज आ रही थी? बेटे मलाहिम, टेक हेल्प फ्रॉम मम्मा ना, शी विल हेल्प यू. ठीक है, क्योंकि मैंने
कोई सी भी टीचर की आवाज नहीं आती वीडियो की. मिस अनी की भी नहीं आती, मिस सिद्रा की भी नहीं आती, किसी की भी नहीं आती आवाज.
बेटे आपके पास कोई इशू आ रहा होगा, क्योंकि देखें मेरे पास भी आ रही है और अभी जस्ट अलिशबा टोल्ड यू दैट उसके पास भी आ रही है. तो आप मम्मा से हेल्प लो या किसी से हेल्प लो ताकि वो सही हो जाए. ठीक है, ओके मलाहिम जी. जी अरहम जी, माहम, बोलिए बेटे.
मिस कौन सा लिंक है?
बेटे मैं एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन के लिंक की बात कर रही हूँ, जो कि मैं ऑलरेडी अपलोड कर चुकी हूँ. ठीक है, ये
मल्टीप्लिकेशन. आपका नाम क्या है?
करूंगी बेटे, मेरा नाम फिजा है. जी फरीहा, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ.
वो टीचर आप क्या अभी मुझे जो है ऑनलाइन क्लासेस का आपने बोला था कि मैं टाइम टेबल सेंड कर दूंगी.
I'll be sharing it बेटे, I'll be sharing it in the WhatsApp group. And firstly कि आपका जो टाइम टेबल है ना, वो ऑलरेडी अपलोड हुआ है यूनिवर्सिटी पे, तो आप लोग पहले वहां जाके चेक करो. And by the end of the day I'll be sending you the timetable in the WhatsApp group as well. Okay. वैसे यूनिवर्सिटी पे वो अपलोड हुआ है और सेकेंड टाइम भी अपलोड करवा दिया गया है. ओके, तो आप वहां पे जाकर एक दफा फिर चेक कर लो. ओके, सो लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड एंड सी. ओके, सो वी वर, ठीक है, व्हाट वी डिड इज when we do multiplication, by doing multiplication we can get the things many more. Okay. Okay, so this pencil is telling this boy that he liked the magic tricks, but he thinks that multiplication sounds complicated. But the pencil is saying that no, it's not. It's very quite simple. It's not complicated. Okay. Okay. Okay, so he's telling that the multiplication is a trick to add the number over and over again. ठीक है, now let's see which example does he gives. Okay. Okay, so he's saying that suppose we have 3 guitars. Okay, let's suppose that we have 3 guitars. Okay. Okay, suppose that there are 3 guitars. Okay, now he's saying that imagine, ठीक है, suppose कि आपके पास 3 guitars हैं. ठीक है, now imagine दैट आपके पास 5 ग्रुप ऑफ ईच गिटार है, ठीक है। कितने ग्रुप ऑफ ईच गिटार है? 5 ग्रुप, 1 2 3 4 5, 5 ग्रुप ऑफ ईच गिटार, ठीक है। और 3 डिफरेंट गिटार्स हैं और 5 गिटार एक एक गिटार का स्टाइल में, ठीक है। नाउ लेट्स सी, now you can see, अब now what happens is you can see a lot of guitars, ठीक है। आपको कितने सारे यहाँ पे गिटार्स नजर आ रहे हैं। तो what will happen is, अब अगर मैं इसको इस तरह काउंट करूंगी इंडिविजुअली तो इसका आंसर मेरे पास गलत भी आ सकता है। एग्जैक्टली तो now what we will do, we will be taking the help of multiplication. By doing multiplication we will get the correct answer. Now let's see what does he do. Now what is he doing is, he's doing 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Is this the easiest way, or doing multiplication is the easiest way to find out the answer? Can anyone tell me, give me the answer of this question? That doing the addition again and again, instead of doing addition again and again, is the can't we do multiplication and find out the answer in just a minute or a second? Yes, Abraham, give us the answer for this. Abraham, unmute yourself. बेटे unmute करो, Abraham.
टीचर इजिएस्ट वे है मल्टीप्लिकेशन, क्योंकि आपको आंसर एडिशन से गलत भी आ सकता है, क्योंकि आपको तो नहीं पता कि
देखें एडिशन से गलत नहीं आएगा, एडिशन से भी सही आएगा, बट हमें देखो कितनी दफा एडिशन यहाँ पे करनी पड़ेगी ना। ऐसे तो हमें बार बार 3 3 3 3 3 लिखना पड़ेगा, है ना। तो ये तो बहुत सारे 3, इतने सारे 3 हो जाएंगे। तो इंस्टेड ऑफ राइटिंग सो मेनी 3s, you can, what we can do is, I'll tell you, see now what आपको आंसर यहाँ पे भी ही इज गिविंग द करेक्ट आंसर, यहाँ पे भी आंसर करेक्ट आएगा आपका। बट इंस्टेड ऑफ डूइंग इट अ लॉट वे, व्हाट यू कैन डू इज, देयर आर, सी now what you can do is, now the multiplication will give you a chance to find out the correct answer. The correct answer was given by addition as well, but still जब हमें किसी चीज की क्वांटिटी में आंसर निकालना होता है ना, तो that is the moment we use multiplication sign, ठीक है। Okay, so wow, now it says there are 3 types of guitars, right? So it will write 3, okay? And see, now what happened is, there are 3 types of group. He wrote 3 over here. Give me a second, better. Okay, so what he said is, there are 3 types of guitar. We wrote 3, okay? And there are 5 groups for each guitar, okay? मतलब 5 guitars जो हैं, there are same 5 guitars. We wrote 5 here. Now we wrote 3 into 5. 3 multiplied by 5, and what is the answer? 15. Is it clear to everyone? Give me a thumbs up. Send me a thumbs up. Send me a thumbs up. Okay, excellent. Okay, very good. Okay. Okay, so let's move forward. Okay, so there are 2 different ways to write the problem, right? Okay, the horizontal and the vertical way. 3 times 5 is equals to 15. ओके, तो अगर हम बार बार एडिशन करते तो वो हमारा बहुत टाइम लेता, ठीक है, वो बहुत टाइम टेकिंग होता। वो जब whenever we do multiplication, it saves our time and it is like a magic, okay, and it gives you something many more, as we learned before, okay. 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 Okay, so did you got the power of multiplication? Did you understood the what is the power of multiplication? Send me a thumbs up through Zoom if you understood the power of multiplication. Okay, excellent. Okay, very good. What about Malahim, Rehan, Abraham, Rubaisha, and Abbas, Abdul Bari, Faik, Ehsan, Abdullah? Didn't you understood what is the power of multiplication? How do we perform multiplication? When do we use multiplication? I hope you all understood, right? Jiyan Ashraf, unmute yourself, beta. Unmute yourself, beta, bolo. Beta.
सॉरी कुछ नहीं बोलना था
Sorry?
मुझे
जी बोले बेटा, फिर से बोले. I can't hear you, Ayan Ashraf. I can't hear you, beta. जी. Sorry? क्या कह रहे हैं बेटे आप? बेटे आप चैट बॉक्स में लिख दो. मुझे ना नहीं समझ में आ रहा आप क्या कह रहे हो. आप चैट बॉक्स में लिख दो. Okay, so let's move towards the properties of multiplication. As we learned about the properties of addition, subtraction, so now we'll be learning about the properties of multiplication. So here it comes. Okay, so here is Rosie, and this is her flower shop. And in her flower shop, as it is a flower shop, you can see a lot of flowers over here, right? Okay. Okay, so by using her flower shop, we will be learning about the multiplication properties. Okay, so there are 3 multiplication properties. The first multiplication property is order property of multiplication. Let's see what it says. The property 1 is order property of multiplication. Okay, so here is an example from the Rosie's flower shop. Okay, so there are 4 baskets. Okay, how many baskets are there? There are 4 baskets. Each basket contains 6 flowers. Okay, there are 4 baskets and each basket contains how many flowers? 6 flowers. There are 4 baskets and each basket contains 6 flowers. Okay. How many flowers are all together? Now they are asking how many flowers are there all together. ठीक है, वो आपसे पूछ रहे हैं कि how many flowers are there all together. Now what we'll do is we'll like 4 multiply by 6 into 6 equals to, okay, 24, right? There are total 24 flowers. 4 into 6 is equals to 24. 4 multiplied by 6 is equals to 24. Okay, how many total flowers are there? There are 24 flowers. Now, if we change the order, okay. Okay, now they are saying in the second example that there are 6 baskets. Okay, how many baskets are there? There are 6 baskets and each basket contains 4 flowers. Okay, upar wali baskets, there were 4 baskets at the top. There are, you can see on the screen, right? यहाँ पे 4 baskets हैं और हर basket में कितने flowers हैं? 6. ठीक है, बट नीचे यहाँ पे 6 baskets हैं और एक basket के अंदर, each basket के अंदर 4 flowers हैं, right? So what we will do is we will, now same goes for this, कि how many flowers are there all together. So what we will do is we will multiply 6 into 4 is equals to 24. राइट, ठीक है। अब ये भी 24 फ्लावर्स हैं, ठीक है, एंड ये भी 24 फ्लावर्स हैं, सही है। तो दिस मीन्स के ओके लेट्स सी अगर हम 4 इंटू 6 करेंगे तो हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा 24, ठीक है, equal to 24. And if we do 6 into 4, 6 into 4 is equal to 24. तो जो ऑर्डर प्रॉपर्टी है दैट मीन्स अगर हम नंबर का ऑर्डर चेंज करेंगे तो हमारे आंसर पे कोई इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ेगा। इज इट क्लियर? सी 4 into 6 is 24, 6 into 4 see this is the first factor and this is the second factor and the answer in multiplication is known as the product, ठीक है। The first number in multiplication is known as the first factor and the second number in multiplication is known as the second factor, okay। and the answer जैसे हमने एडिशन में आंसर क्या कहा था, सम होता है, ठीक है, और हमने सब्ट्रैक्शन में आंसर क्या कहा था, डिफरेंस होता है। तो इसी तरह हमारे मल्टीप्लिकेशन में आंसर को हम प्रोडक्ट कहते हैं, ओके ओके। इफ द पोजीशन ऑफ द फैक्टर्स चेंज बट द आंसर द प्रोडक्ट डज नॉट चेंज, ओके। Okay, is it clear to everyone? Okay, so the property number 2, the property number 2 is zero property of multiplication. Property of multiplication, okay. Okay, so how many baskets can you see on the screen? You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 baskets. But these baskets are empty. There are 0 flowers, okay. So how many flowers are there altogether? Now what we will do is we will see there are 5 baskets, okay, and are no flowers in that, okay. There are no flowers in each. That means there are 0 flowers in each basket. That means there are 0 flowers because you can't see any flower, right? The baskets are empty. So what we'll do is 5 multiplied by 0 is equals to 0, okay, because there is nothing flowers in all, 0 flowers, there are 0 flowers in all, okay. Okay, if we multiply any number into 0, we get the answer 0. अगर हम किसी भी नंबर को क्या नाम है कि 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो what is the answer we get? We get the product 0. Is it clear to everyone? Okay. Okay. Okay, so here is property number 3. Okay, oops. Okay, wait. Okay, so the property number 3 says when 1 is multiplied to any number, the product is always the number itself. Okay, now let's take an example. When 1 is multiplied to any number, the product is always the number itself. Let's see, let's learn with the example. Okay, so you can see the 4 flower baskets over here, right? You can see the 4 flower basket, and her basket के अंदर कितने flowers हैं? 1 flower, right? Every basket is having 1 flower. See, 1 flower in it, okay? It has 1 flower. Now what we will do is, now we are supposed to get how many flowers are there all together, okay? So we'll write 4 baskets, okay? Multiply 1 flower in each basket. ठीक है, हम क्या करेंगे 1 flower in each basket. Now तो 4 into 1, ठीक है, 4 into 1 is equal to 4. Is it clear? So there are 4 flowers. ठीक है, any number कोई से भी नंबर को जब हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 1 से तो we will get the answer itself. हमारे पास जो नंबर होगा ना वो खुद ही वो आंसर बन के आ जाएगा. Let's suppose अगर हम 206 लेते हैं, मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं 1 से तो 206 ही आंसर आएगा. Is it clear? This is the third property of multiplication. ठीक है? Okay, so here they are showing it to you very clearly and saying any number multiplied by 1, any number into 1 is equals to number itself. मतलब वो number खुद ही आ जाता है in the answer box. ठीक है? Okay, so did you find it interesting? Did you find learning about multiplication and its properties interesting? Was it interesting for all of you? Give me a thumbs up. Send me a thumbs up through Zoom. Send me a thumbs up. Hurry up. Okay, जी एहसन अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. बोलिए बेटे. अनम्यूट. जी बेटा बोलो.
मैं पूरा मल्टीप्लिकेशन समझ आ गया.
Okay, very good. Okay, जी someone else. Any questions? Any questions? Any questions? Okay, so no questions so far. Okay, so as your class is about to end, so I hope you all have learned about what is multiplication, okay? And you have learned about the properties of multiplication as well. अच्छा मुझे ये बताएं, how many of you have got the copies and the books as well? आप सबने copies और books ले ली हैं? सबने copies और books ले ली? बेटे तो those who are saying no, when are they going to get the copies and the books? Can I get to know that? कब लेंगे आप लोग? ओके, मैं वन बाय वन आप लोग को अनम्यूट कर रही हूँ. जी ज़ैना मुझे बताइए आप कब लेंगी कॉपीज एंड बुक्स अपनी?
कॉपीज तो ले लिए, बुक्स लूंगी अब.
बेटे कब लेंगी आप बुक्स?
इंशाल्लाह इसी वीक ले लूंगी.
ओके ओके. जी शफात्मा बेटे बोलिए.
मिस मैंने भी कॉपीज ले ली, अभी बुक्स नहीं ली हैं.
बेटे बुक्स कब आएंगी?
मिस मैं भी ले लूं बस.
ओके जल्दी से ले लीजिए फिर. जी अलिशबा बेटे आपने कॉपीज ले ली हैं, आप बुक्स कब लोगे?
यस टीचर.
बेटे आप कब लेंगी बुक्स?
टीचर मैंने बुक्स भी ले ली, कॉपीज भी ले ली.
अरे वेरी गुड, ये तो बहुत
और मैंने सिलेबस भी बना लिया.
वेरी नाइस.
मैंने सिलेबस भी बना लिया.
आप मुझे ना पिक्चर भेजना, ठीक है? आप मुझे व्हाट्सएप पे पिक्चर भेजना जो आपने लिख लिया है ना काम और टाइटल पेज बनाया, उसकी पिक्चर मुझे भेजना. ओके ओके. यस मलाहिम अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. जी मलाहिम अनम्यूट करो बेटे.
दोनों खरीद ली हैं.
आपने भी बुक्स और कॉपीज ले ली हैं? ओके एक्सीलेंट, वेरी गुड. ओके आपने टाइटल पेज बना लिया और सिलेबस लिख लिया? ओके वेरी गुड. मुझे पिक्चर भेजिएगा व्हाट्सएप पे. जी ईशल अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ बेटे. आपने कॉपीज और बुक्स ली? ओके ईशल स्टक. जी अब्राहम अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. मुझे बताइए आपने कॉपीज और बुक्स ले ली?
मैंने ले ली और मैंने ना बना भी लिया.
Okay, very good. Send me pictures on the WhatsApp, okay? Okay, so your time is end. Time finishes over here. और बाकी सब बच्चों से मैं कल दोबारा जो है वो पूछ लूंगी कि किसने बुक्स और कॉपीज वगैरह ले ली हैं. Okay, so this is it for today. Have a great day ahead and take care of yourself, okay? Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz.